guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, it's Mother's Day next week. So today I will share with you guys a beautiful greeting card which can be gifted to your mom and she will be very happy to receive it. Not only this greeting card can be gifted to your near and dear ones on special occasions. So now let's begin. What's required to make this greeting card are a pencil, a pair of scissors, Fevi-stick, sketch pens, stones of your choice, a hole punching machine, scale and A4 sheets of colors as per your choice. So now let's begin.